It's a Yanmar FX16D. Nice tractor. It's a diesel, 3-cylinder diesel. Has a brand new loader, has a 4-foot bucket on it. Really low hours on it. It's only got a little over 1,000 hours, 1,091 hours. It's 4-wheel drive, shuttle shift, meaning all you have to do is push that lever. You don't have to push the clutch in to change gears. Easy to drive. People always ask, oh, on these compact tractors, what about the PTO shaft? That's a standard size PTO shaft for a Category 1 tractor. So if you wanted to rent a post hole digger or whatever at your local rental place, it'll fit it. It's standard for Category 1 tractor. Really good shape and completely serviced. Looks like one time or another somebody touched up some paint on it, but not bad at all. Got a brand new seat. Easy to get on and off. Look, you just climb right on here. There's nothing normally there's a gear shifter right there that you have to climb over, and it's really hard to get on and off, but not this. This is easy to get on. Like I said, it's been completely serviced. All the fluids have been changed, filters, no oil leaks. Like I said, it's got a 4-foot bucket on it. That bucket will lift up over about 7 feet. You can fill it up with rocks. It'll lift it. As long as you have something on the back to counterbalance, like a little tiller over there, that would do it. That would work nice. Shown with the optional J-bar box scraper on it. I have 2 of these left. That's it. Don't know if I'm getting any more or not. I know the lights work, the horns work, turn signals work. It's got a 3-speed PTO. It's got 3 gears plus 3 drive gears, so 9 forward speeds, 3 reverse. Locking differential. Go ahead and start it up. See, that's a nice tractor. No smoke, no strange weird noises to it. Hasn't been spray painted on the engine like they do on those YNMs from Vietnam. Guy out of Arizona sells YNMs. If you lift the hood up on them, you'll see there everything's been spray painted. Hoses, belts, engine, they look brand new. He calls them reconditioned, and basically they take them apart in Vietnam, spray paint everything, put them back together, and look at that, I have a reconditioned tractor. Anyhow, there it is. It's a Yanmar FX16D 4-wheel drive diesel tractor. If you want to see this, any other tractors we have, you can go to our website, ToughTractors.com, ToughTractors.com.